In this video, I will show you how to connect ShineOn to Shopify. First, open up your main browser. In the search bar, type in ShineOn and hit enter. From the results, just click on the very first one that shows up. Once you're on the ShineOn website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up. But if you already have an account, just sign in. Now, after logging in, you will see an option that says Connect to Shopify. Go ahead and click that. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will notice a button that says Install. Click on it and this will open a brand new tab. In this new tab, Shopify will ask you to confirm the connection. All you have to do is click Install again to continue. Once that's done, just head back over to your ShineOn dashboard. At the top or on the side menu, click on My Store. And that's how to connect ShineOn to Shopify.